Sometimes we encounter the problem of a black screen with the cursor after turning on the computer or laptop. With this problem appearing, in the end we couldn't log into the Windows desktop. To solve the problem can try to check the partition used by the system. We would use check disk utility through command prompt here. Press the button combination Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Choose Task Manager. Open command prompts through File menu. Go to root folder by type cd /, then press enter. Then you can now type chkdsk space c:/f, then enter. We need to reboot Windows in order to continue the repair. So press Y here and hit enter. We can now reboot the system. Type shutdown -r-f-t00, then hit enter. The system will continue to repair after reboot. It will take quite a long time. So just wait for the process. If the repair is successful, the black screen will no longer appear and Windows will run normally. Thank you for watching, for your thumbs up, and for become my subscriber.